Hi, thank you for coming to Yarn again. This is Teresa. I won a box from Carrie the Yarny Elephant and I got it and I'm excited to share it with you. This is one of the things that she made. She was gracious enough to send it to me. It's so pretty, isn't it? I love the colors. Look at that stitching. She's very good. I appreciate that. And it's very soft. It's going to get a lot of use. And then we have some cotton, a cotton sampler from Ice. I'll show you the different brands. I'm not going to be taking them out right now because if I'm not using them, I try to keep them packaged up. I will be using them. I have ideas. Look at these colors. Nice Eastery colors, spring colors. I'm not putting it on the floor. I am putting it on a pile of more yarn. Then we got scrubby yarn from Hirschner's. And the purple, the orange, the black, the mixture, and green and white. And those are Hirschner's. Suds and Scrubs yarn. They say a number 4. I believe it's more like a 2 because you got to count that halo. See here, you can see. Okay, it doesn't really look like a 4 to me. By no means am I a pro. Look at how full this box is. Oh, these beautiful yarns. Let's start with the babies. This is Line Brand Ice Cream in the color pink. It has 1,117 yards, 10 ounces, wash and dry. It's a 3. That's what I was looking for. It's a 3. Isn't that pretty? It's nice and soft too. I learned how to do the waffle stitch, so I'm thinking of doing that. This is the same thing in the multi. It just hasn't got the band. And then we have, don't fall. Then we have the yellow Lion Brand. Big scoop of ice cream. Without the calories. Yellow and cream. It's more of a cream than it is a white, in my opinion. And then we have the best kind of cake you won't eat. Because there's no calories. Look at those. This one is a unicorn. These are fairy. There's 12 of those. And then one of these. And these are all number 3s and 590 yards. They're all Lion Brand Mandela. Number 3. There's color. Serpent. No. I don't see a serpent, but it could be. And these are unicorns. I like the way they are not unicorns, these are fairy. These are all fairy. It's just a nice blanket. Look at all the centers, they all change. I like that. Because sometimes you get the same center, so when you start and stop and you have to go cast on again, or put it on your hook, you get the same exact color, and I don't like that. And this is a unicorn. Upside down. Aren't they beautiful? Carrie is very, very generous and sweet woman. If you haven't seen Carrie the Yarny Elephant, swing on over. I will put her link down below. And just share in the fun. There's bingo on Tuesday, so I'm getting ready to go to bingo right now. pack up my box. Look at how full this box is. Carrie, you're so generous. Thank you so much. Appreciate your time, guys. Thank you for coming by Yarn again. This is Teresa. If you can like this video, share, and subscribe, I would appreciate it. Have a great day.